Tony here, Johnson RV. I want to show you today this awesome 2021 Grey Wolf 22RR toy hauler. This thing is loaded with options. It's a great little toy hauler, lightweight, be awesome for trips to the dunes or what have you. Power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, large pass-through storage, large power awning with LED light. Taking you guys over here, you guys have outside entertainment for a TV mount, outside speakers, and just a really cool color scheme on this Grey Wolf. It's in great shape. Solid steps here. Oh, pointing out this door here, really cool looking door. I really love the doors they put on these Grey Wolves. We're taking you inside here. Very, very spacious. That's one thing about toy haulers. You have tons and tons of room. Very versatile. Do lots of different things in here because you can just open up this entire space. That table can be used on the inside or the outside underneath the awning if you want to dine outside. These couches here do convert into beds, or they fold up flat up against the walls if you're loading your toys in here. That back patio is a fenced-in back patio. Really cool if you wanted to dine outside or just kind of hang out when the weather's nice. Lots of room up here to store your helmets or riding boots or what have you. 3-burner cooktop. You got your oven, tons of storage, microwave oven, farmhouse style sink. You've got a really good sized closet pantry here with extra little storage that they put on the door there. Really nice little feature. You got your full-size refrigerator and freezer in here. This is a 12-volt. This unit does have solar with a solar controller on it. Really spacious bathroom. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom, so you've got really spacious corner shower, great commode position, tons and tons of room in here. Bringing you in here to the bedroom, walk around bed. There's a TV right there that's actually could be mounted on this wall right here. There's a TV backer board and also a mount there. Lots of storage over the bed, good sized closets on either side of the bed. You do have windows on both sides for good natural lighting as well as cross ventilation. And again, this thing is just loaded with details and features and is a great little lightweight toy hauler that you guys could really enjoy putting your toys in here and going for a great camp trip. But again, Tony here, Johnson RV. Any questions? I'd love to help you guys out. Have a blessed day.